What if I told you that right now, in 2025, there are people making $500 or more every single week, not from a 9-to-5 job, but using free AI tools from their laptop? No special degree, no experience, no big startup money, just the right knowledge and the right tools. I'm going to show you exactly 5 of those methods today. Stick around because number 3 completely changed how I think about making money online. Welcome to Wealth Unlocked, the channel where we break down exactly how real people build real wealth in the modern world. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, because every week we drop content that your bank account will thank you for. Now let's get into it. 5 AI side hustles that can realistically pay you $500 or more every single week. Side hustle number 1, AI-powered freelance writing. Here's the truth most people don't know. Businesses, bloggers, and brands around the world are desperately looking for content, blog posts, emails, product descriptions, social media captions, and they are willing to pay good money for it. Now here is where AI changes everything. Tools like Claude AI and ChatGPT can help you write high-quality content in minutes. You don't need to be a professional writer. You act as the editor. The AI does the heavy lifting. How much can you make? On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, beginner writers charge $30 to $100 per article. Write just 10 articles a week, and you're already at $500 or more. How to start? Create a free account on Fiverr. Offer blog writing services. Use Claude or ChatGPT to help write, then edit and personalize it. Deliver. Get paid. Simple. Side hustle number 2, and yes, this is exactly what Wealth Unlocked is. Running a faceless AI YouTube channel. You never need to show your face. You never need to record your own voice. Tools like ElevenLabs generate a realistic AI voiceover from your script. Tools like InVideo AI turn that script into a full video with stock footage automatically. You write or generate the script. AI reads it. AI builds the video. You upload it. YouTube pays you through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Finance channels like this one earn between $5 to $15 per 1,000 views from ads alone. That is one of the highest paying niches on all of YouTube. Grow to just 50,000 views a month, which is very achievable, and you could be making $500 to $750 every single month just from ads. Add affiliate links, and that number doubles. The best part? Once a video is uploaded, it earns money forever. That is the definition of passive income. Side hustle number 3, bikes. And this is the one that surprises most people. You can use free AI design tools like Canva, Adobe Firefly, and Midjourney to create digital products, and then sell them over and over again without ever making them again. What kind of products? Think budget planners, wealth tracker spreadsheets, motivational wall art, social media templates, business card designs, journal templates. You design it once. You upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Every time someone buys it, you get paid. No shipping, no inventory, no extra work. Some sellers on Etsy are making $2,000 to $5,000 a month just from digital downloads. Getting to $500 a week is absolutely realistic once you have 10 to 20 products listed. And with AI doing most of the design work, you can create and list new products every single day. Side hustle number 4, managing social media for small businesses using AI. Here's a massive opportunity most people are sleeping on. There are millions of small businesses, restaurants, gyms, salons, real estate agents that know they need to be on social media but have absolutely no time to do it themselves. That's where you come in. You use AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and Canva to create their captions, posts, stories, and graphics every week. You can charge $300 to $800 per month per client. Land just 2 to 3 clients and you have hit $500 a week easily. How to get clients? Walk into local businesses. Message them on Instagram. Tell them you manage social media. Show them examples. You can create sample posts with AI in under an hour to use as your portfolio. This is one of the fastest side hustles to get paid from because businesses pay monthly, meaning recurring, reliable income. Side hustle number 5, selling AI voiceover services. Podcasters, YouTubers, app developers, and advertisers constantly need voiceovers. Professional voice actors charge hundreds of dollars per project. But with ElevenLabs, which has a free tier, you can generate studio-quality voiceovers in seconds. You then sell these as a service on Fiverr or directly to clients. Voiceover gigs on Fiverr range from $20 for short clips all the way up to $200 or more for longer projects. Do 5 to 10 gigs a week, and you are well past $500. And the more positive reviews you collect, the higher you can charge. Some top sellers on Fiverr make $3,000 to $5,000 a month from voiceovers alone. So there you have it. 5 real AI side hustles that can genuinely pay you $500 or more every single week. Let me recap them fast. Number 1, AI freelance writing on Fiverr and Upwork. Number 2, Faceless AI YouTube channel. Number 3, AI digital products on Etsy and Gumroad. Number 4, social media management for local businesses. Number 5, AI voiceover services. Now here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these today. Not tomorrow, today. Start with just one and master it before moving to the next. If this video gave you value, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe to Wealth Unlocked for weekly videos exactly like this one. And drop a comment below. Which side hustle are you starting first? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video. Your wealth journey starts right now. Let teas go.